Hi guys, look in this. All that thread I find just start to take for this part. So remember cleaning sometimes because even this machine is really good because even with that doing the job, but all that thread there I doing and I can finish. You see? It's all that over there, and I don't know what happened, but please trying to maintain your machines this way. Also, it's a good deal if you put not these ones in felpa. It's better use this one, this dish. You can find like Menards, nylon archer washers, 1 inch, and coming 20 is like $2, and you can pull that there because it's going to make it smooth when going the thread. This is what I use in the majority of my Kenmore's vintage one. This is a beautiful one, but you need to mind test a little bit the machines, okay? Thank you. Have a good day, and please continue with pray for this work. Bye.